We'll now continue with step 6 of our test drive. And I want to mention that Solid Edge does deliver the most comprehensive drawing, detailing, and annotation tools in the market. You can choose from a wide range of drawing standards including ANSI, ISO, JIS, DIN, and much more. The first thing that we want to do is take a look at some dimensioning. So what I'm going to do is just going to area up on our view here. And if you have created views in your 3D model, no point in not using them, so we're going to go ahead and grab the retrieve dimensions value, or excuse me, command, and then we'll go to the pull down menu, and of course you can change the standard in which you want to do. In this case we're using the ANSI millimeter. You can also pick and choose which dimensions you want to extract if they indeed exist on the drawing view. All we have to do is come and identify the view, and it's going to extract those dimensions. I can also get this right view. And then once those dimensions are placed, I can zoom up on this model and I can make some changes. For example, I can grab the 2 and maybe pull it out and update the way that that dimension looks very easily. You can also pull the arrows to the outside. Now if I want to add some dimensions, we can go up to a tool we call Smart Dimension, where you can dimension lines, arcs, and you can even extract circles. And if they have threads in them, you can even extract that particular type of information. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the detail view. And let's take a look at the distance between command, which I think is a really great command. If I come in here, for example, and pick the first line and then the second line, you notice I can place that dimension. Okay, and then I can come over to the outside line, and you notice I can do this in a stacked mode. So I can go ahead and click on that stack mode. But what happens when I forget a dimension in that stack? Well, while I'm in the command, I can still come over and grab this middle dimension, and you'll notice that it automatically pushes that dimension up. If you ever happen to get out of the command by using the select tool, then you can hit the distance between again and just get right back in. And now that we're back in the stack, by just selecting one of those dimensions, I can even add another dimension to the stack. Again, very easy to use. You'll notice that even though this is a detail view blown up, probably 2 to 1, that value is 2 millimeters. It's also 2 millimeters in the 1 to 1 view. Now finally, I'm going to area up on this part, and if I want to go out and get maybe a center mark, I can do that. By grabbing the center mark, I can pick and choose what I want it to look like. I can pick the center, and it's going to add the center mark to our drawing view. Again, several tools can be used very easily within Solid Edge with synchronous technology drafting environment. So at this point we want to come up and save the file, and then again check on your students to make sure they're coming along with this drawing.